again, and welcome back. So I thought that I'd bring you guys along for an evening with me. Since it is autumn now, I'm kind of getting more of like the cozy vibes and stuff, which I'm loving. But yeah, I just thought that I'd bring you guys with me. It seems to be a lovely day. I've had quite a productive day. I'm working on a course and I was applying for some jobs, which is really great. But we'll probably get straight into it. I need to go to the store and I'm wanting to go before kind of rush hour. It's about 4:30 now. So I think I'm gonna do that now, put on my boots, go for a little walk. I haven't actually been outside today. I've just been sat at a desk pretty much all day. At least it has been productive, but definitely needing to get up and move a bit more. So let's go to the store and get a couple of things. I literally just have like jeans and then just a sweater. This is such a comfy one. I got it last year and it's just kind of like a bit oversized and I've just been wearing it more. It's just nice and cozy. And yeah, gonna go to the store. It's just a Sainsbury's local, so pretty chill, pretty close. And yeah, also I'm kind of debating on doing some baking, maybe making some brownies or something. I did make banana bread muffins last night, but there's only like 5 left. I did only make 9 to be fair, but yeah, so I might make some brownies, I'm thinking. So need to make sure I have all the ingredients for that. Yeah. Hey guys, so put kind of the groceries away and stuff. I think I'm gonna have a shower now. I need to put my hair up because I'm not gonna be washing my hair. Sorry that the lighting's not the best. It's just kind of how it is in the bathroom. And then I think I might do a little bit of reading before making some dinner. But I think I'm gonna add one of these like shower steamer things in it. It's cardamom and vanilla. So I've used a couple of these evidently, but they just kind of smell so nice and they do give very much of like that autumn smell. So nice. So I'm gonna pop this. It goes like in the bottom of the shower and then it just makes it smell really nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a quick shower and then get on with my evening. So just finished my shower. I'm just wearing like joggers ish and then just a nice comfortable jumper. Actually, I'm gonna put my fluffy socks on. I've realized that I also want to do a laundry load, so I think I'm gonna do that while I'm reading and then get to making some dinner. So I was thinking of doing some chicken with mac and cheese, some tender stem broccoli, and maybe some garlic bread as well. So a nice lovely warm meal. But I'm just gonna do my skincare first because I like to, if I'm showering in the evenings, I like to do it kind of straight after showering rather than right before bed. So this is my vitamin C. There it is. So that's my vitamin C serum. So it's Mad Hippie that I use. So I just put a little bit on my face. I have like a mirror to the side of me here. And then I just spread it all over. I'm looking into getting like an under eye serum as well. My best friend has one that she really likes, so I might try that out. And I use my simple moisturizer, which I think I've shown you guys before. So I get a bit of that and then spread it all over the face and the neck. And yeah, I think we're all done. So I'm now kind of in my living room sitting area. You can probably hear the laundry going off in the background, or the washing machine. It's focusing, there we go. But I think I'm gonna do a bit of reading. The thing is, I'm reading this one book right now and it is really good, but it's kind of a bit of a slow burn. And so I think I might take a short break from it and read this other book that I have, which is The Wisteria Society of Lady Scoundrels. Falling in Love Can Be Murder. So it looks quite good. They say it's kind of Bridgerton meets Peaky Blinders. So I think I'm gonna read that for a bit while the laundry is going and then I'll make some dinner. technically speaking, it's not actually macaroni. Wait, let me turn that off. It's rigatoni because I don't have macaroni, but rigatoni is still quite nice. I think I might just make like a smaller little dish. It's quite cute since it'll just be meat. And then I have the chicken as well that I'll dice up and make. Yeah, it should be a nice healthy meal. Anyways, I'm also gonna get myself a drink. I love squash so much. I did get some whipped cream earlier, so definitely gonna make some hot chocolate. But yeah, so I'm gonna get to making some dinner. Hello, so I've just made my dinner. I'll show you guys like a better shot of it in a second. It looks so good and it smells really good as well, so I'm really looking forward to it. Look how good this looks. So we have mac and cheese, chicken, garlic bread, and tender stem. Okay, so I'm now gonna be making some brownies again. So yeah, I've just been melting the butter in the microwave, so I'll check on that in a second. I'm just gonna start in a nice bowl, mix it all together, and then I think while it's cooking, I'm gonna make myself a hot chocolate. I also have a bit of an obsession with baking, so I always bake cookies. It's like one of my go-to ones because they're just so easy, and it's like my mom's recipe, so I know it off by heart. There's so much sugar in this recipe, so I try to do a little bit less. Like I don't fully fill this up. But yeah, I mean, as I said earlier, I have banana bread muffins that I made, which are very nice. I like having them with like my breakfast and stuff. Gonna make myself some hot chocolate. So I have a nice cute mug. I use Twinings. So my sister kind of discovered this one and I've been hooked on it ever since, and no hot chocolate is the same. So I'm just gonna boil out some water and get this going. I normally put it in first, mix it with the milk, and then I put the water in just so that it doesn't burn the hot chocolate. So I don't actually know if I've opened this. I don't think I have. Fresh my hot chocolate, and I just realized I didn't actually put a timer on for my brownies. Okay, I'll just kind of like keep an eye on them and then I'll check them kind of every once in a while. So I'm just sat watching some Harry Potter. I might actually move to my spot over there, so it's like my favorite couch. I'll show you guys. It's not even a couch, it's just a chair. This is my favorite couch. I keep saying couch, chair. I literally love it so much. It's so comfy and it's like the perfect one for reading and just sitting. And yeah, it's a bit of a mess kind of behind me. There's a lot of stuff there, but I need to do some organizing. And then I think once the brownies are done, I'll probably go chill in bed for a bit, maybe finish the movie, and then yeah, maybe doing some reading and stuff. But yeah, overall it is just quite chill. It's nice because it's not too cold yet, so we're not quite getting into like the winter routine. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep watching some Harry Potter. Guys, so the brownies still aren't done. They need a bit more time, which I need to put another timer on for, but I decided just to get in bed because honestly I'm feeling quite tired. It's 9:14, about half an hour left of the movie, so I think I'm just gonna lay in bed, finish watching that, and read a bit and stuff. But yeah, just like settling down in the room now. I've turned off the main lights because they're so bright, but I have 2 lamps on bedside tables. I also have a lamp over there, but to be honest, I might actually turn that off. And then I have this cool astronaut thing. I'll show you guys, let's see. It's so hard to see because of their lighting. There we go. So I have this cool guy here. That kind of creates this cool starlight pattern. I feel like I need to adjust it. Yeah, I'll show you guys. So it's red right now. Yeah, so it's quite nice and relaxing just to kind of have on the ceiling. There we go. It's so pretty. But anyways, yeah, so I'm here. I have Stitch with me. We love Stitch. Stitch is my favorite. We're besties. It's always nice to have like a chill evening after a productive day. It's been busy-ish week, to be honest. I feel like a lot of my videos show like, oh, I'm doing this, oh, I'm out doing that, but those are only like sporadic days here and there. Maybe I'll do like a realistic week in the life of what it's like living in London, because a lot of it is basically just enjoying your rent. Like that's what I'm doing right now. I'm enjoying my rent because it's not cheap. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep watching some Harry Potter. They are about to go and confront Fluffy. If you've not seen the movies, go and watch it and you'll get what that means. I'll be honest, I've started the next Harry Potter movie. Even though I'm like tired, it's just such a vibe to watch. I was gonna do some reading, and I still might because I like to read before bed. But I'm just chilling. Honestly, I'm just kind of on my phone. I'm creating like thumbnails. I'm trying to figure out one. I need to edit my video that's gonna be going up in a couple of days time, but it's probably gonna be like my last video before this. Anyways, but yeah, so I think I'm just gonna keep watching this, work on some editing of thumbnails and stuff. Oh no! Yeah, it's just nice being in bed. I might like tuck myself in soon. I did take the brownies out, but honestly, I'll probably not eat them till tomorrow. I'm just not that hungry. But it was nice to make them so then kind of have them for like the next week, because I like always having something that I baked the past week and then that I can like, that can be kind of like my sweet treat for the week and stuff. So I'll maybe talk to you guys in a little bit when I'm getting ready for bed. Sorry if I sound a bit funny. I have my retainer in because your girl still wears a retainer every single night ever since I was 16 when I got my braces off. But I'm going to probably start heading to bed. I'm still watching Harry Potter, but I'm gonna tuck myself in, probably close it pretty soon. But that was kind of my evening. If you enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm hoping to get some more content out. I have a couple fun things planned coming up. I guess I'll say goodnight. And Stitch says goodnight too. Bye!